I've always wanted to check this out. LDI in Vegas. It's kind of a no-brainer, right? The industry's biggest names, cutting-edge gear, all in one place. And I'm overdue for some inspiration. Could be a game changer. Worst case, I walk away with some fresh ideas. The networking alone could open doors I didn't even know existed.
Okay, thank you.
From the moment I put my badge on, it's on. The biggest names in the industry will be there. Designers, tech innovators, production pros. If I want to level up, this is where I need to be. And then, the show floor opens. That first moment, lights flashing, sound pumping, massive displays everywhere. It's like stepping into the future of live production. Every booth has something insane to check out.
We're gonna take on the world. Standing tall, we gotta make it our own. No waiting around.
New lighting rigs, cutting-edge visuals, tech I didn't even know existed.
The future is right in our hands.
I can get hands-on with the latest gear, see mind-blowing designs in action, and pick up tricks from the best in the business. I could sit in on a live demo, learn something that changes the way I work. Or maybe I meet the right person at the right time. One conversation could open a door I didn't even know existed. And the networking, that alone could make the trip worth it. Big ideas, new connections, and let's be real, it's Vegas. Even if I just walk away inspired, that's a win. But what if I walk away with something bigger, a new connection, a way to advance my career? Yeah, I'm in.
We're gonna take on the world.